Hey, what's up guys? Deezy. I was going to do an unboxing video on this, but there's really not much to unbox. This is the Drone Force Angler Attack. It's modeled after the angler fish. Nothing really special about this one except for just the cool factor. I mean, it just looks really cool. Doesn't do any kind of acro or anything like that. It just flies. It's a pretty easy flyer. Lights up in the eyes and the angler hole and the fins. I'll go ahead and get her lit up for you guys. This button here, you hold it to turn on the lights. I guess the gyro didn't set right, so let me turn it off. Turn this off. Let me set it down for a second. Let it get ready. Then I'll turn everything on and I'll do a quick flight for you guys. Like I said, it doesn't do anything special. You got to bind it just as like normal, up, down, bound. Notice that the green light came on here and the red light's in the eyes. Pretty cool looking. This button right here and this button right here works the lights. See, now we've got the lights in the fins. There are a couple of different modes for the lights. Let's go ahead and give it a quick flight real quick. Oh, it took off a little crazy that time. Let me land it real quick. Something's going on. I think I may not have charged the battery enough. I can tell you right now that this would not be very good in the wind at all. It gets about a good 10-minute flight. I flew it a little bit earlier. That might be why the battery's low. But it gets about a 10-minute flight. And this is pretty much all you get. I mean, it's got a couple of different speed rates. But like I said, you would not want to fly this one in the wind. It has brother and sisters. There's a whole set of them. I think there's like a set of 5 of them. And right now, Walmart's got a really good price on all of them. Yaw rate's not all that impressive. So, you know, just the cool factor. And this thing, the way it lights up and the way it looks, it's really cool. Alright guys, this is the Drone Force Angler Attack. It's about 30 bucks at Walmart right now. It'd be pretty cool for a kid. Go ahead and land her down there on the ground, I guess, because it didn't feel like it wanted to land for me for some reason. That's alright, I'll get her up in there again. some reason when you first take off, it flies a little erratic. I don't know why, but it does. Land. There we go. Anyway, this is the Angler Attack. It's by Drone Force. Comes with a 800 milliamp hour 3.7 volt battery with a red JST connector. Comes with the charger, the remote, and the drone, and a set of props, an extra set of props, and your instruction manual. I'm gonna give it about 3 stars. It's nothing too impressive. It's just something that's kind of cool. But anyway, you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe down below. This is DZ. Hit that bell, subscribe, that way I can keep these videos coming. But anyway, love all you guys, appreciate your support. Peace out.